There's a car behind.
Mm-hmm. I think everyone will have to run into it, test, and that's all.
Yeah.
And then if you reverse into one of the bays on the right. Remember what we discussed about your last test that you did about the window, okay? The front windscreen.
Yeah.
Try and keep it reasonably clean. Now, what I do with that lever, I click it up to intermittent.
Yeah.
So the lever, Maria, gently push it upwards. It's that's it. Yeah, leave it where it is now.
Automatic now.
Mm-hmm. And look around. Keep looking around while you're doing what you're doing.
Can check?
If you want to.
In not perfect, but
Are you inside? Are you
It's
touching the
inside.
lines? As long as you're not touching the line, you're perfectly fine.
see that line.
The argument is
Touching the line that side.
possibly touching it around the front. Now, if you're not fully straight, what you can do before you leave the car, before you do any adjustment, make sure that you're not touching the line. Because if you're not touching the line, it's a pass.
Okay.
So what you want to do is get out of the car.
Okay. And the check.
Yeah, tell the examiner, just going to leave the car a second. You make sure you turn everything off. I'm just going to make sure that I'm not touching the lines. And he'll say yes. When you do get out, just remember that if you walk around the front of the car, camera will pick you up. Okay, so if you can walk around the back of the car, or you can walk to that side and see it.
Okay.
Have a look. Make sure you are in your bay. Before you make the adjustment, jump out and have a look.
Yeah, very far. I can tell from here.
What's that?
I'm very far. From line, can tell.
Okay, Mary, I want you to check, see how
Properly.
far. Yeah. If you're panicking, just make sure you understand where you are. See what she's doing now is she's going outside to make sure she's in a bay, and that way she's assessing how far she is from the lines.
Still right in front.
Okay, so are you touching the lines?
Not fully.
If you're touching the line,
It's not touching. It's right next to line.
that's fine. Then there's no adjustment needed. Simple as
But
that.
from front is popping out a bit. So should I move a bit?
No, it's perfectly fine. No problem at all. In terms of popping out, do you mean you're outside these bays?
Yeah.
Okay. If your door mirror is over the end of that line, then you're outside the bay.
Can't see.
If the door mirror is behind the end of the line, perfectly fine. Yeah. Okay, so